This that I'm wearing here is called an E4. It's a state-of-the-art portable biosensor. So this device that looks very similar to commercially available activity monitors, such as the FitBit that you're wearing, can continuously monitor multiple physiologic parameters without interfering with daily life. And the way that we're currently using these in research is attempting to take the data that it obtains and predict when people are craving drugs, or in some cases when they've already used drugs, and use that data to help aid in their rehabilitation and improve treatment programs. We place bands similar to this, although an older generation of biosensor, on patients who were either given IV opioids in the emergency department, or in the case of the field study, participants who used cocaine, and we observed the data that was recorded immediately after the drugs were administered or taken by the participant. And what we found is that when someone uses drugs, for example, opioids or cocaine, there's a very different response than you would get in any other normal activity, say stress, for example, or physical activity, such that it almost makes a fingerprint in the data or a mark of when that event occurred. And then our goal is to take that data and use it in the future to understand when people use drugs, when they relapsed, and how to improve their treatment program. Our target population is likely going to be highly motivated people who are in addiction treatment programs that are then discharged out into the community to aid them in that path to recovery once they're out of the clinical environment. To my knowledge, we're the only research group that's using these to look at substance abuse and addiction. It is being used in other facilities for things like PTSD and epilepsy and a variety of clinical conditions, but I think we're really in front of the movement here to use these in addiction treatment.